This is a GoPro. It's actually a GoPro Hero 6. And the stabilization, well, it's pretty poor compared to the new ones. This is a gimbal for a GoPro. And this is a gimbal for a DSLR or mirrorless camera. And that got me thinking, what happens if we put a FeiyuTech WG2X action camera gimbal on a big gimbal? This is ultimate stabilization. Decided to do a bit of a comparison for you. Because this is the GoPro Hero 6, the stabilization is pretty poor. So I'm going to do a shot just holding the camera, walking, running. Then I'm going to do the same with the WG2X, walking, running, and then finally another walking, running with this beast of a setup. I've actually filmed the clips of me running and walking as well, which I will show you. And I just want you to take note, when I held the full setup with both FeiyuTech gimbals, I really just sprinted. There was no care how the footage was gonna come out. I just went crazy and just started bolting. And yeah, this thing performs, I'm not gonna lie. There is no post-stabilization here whatsoever. This is just pure gimbal bestiality. That's not a good word. Check this footage out. Okay, so this first clip is me just walking with a GoPro in hand, and this is from the GoPro's view. This is running, and this is the GoPro's view. This is the FeiyuTech WG2X walking, and now I'm going to do the running one. So I'm going to play that footage again of the running one and just have a look at the building in the front. So this is walking with a dual gimbal. And this is sprinting with it. I'm going to play that again. Just check this out. Okay, now I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison with running on all three setups. The reason I think this kind of works is most gimbals, you know, when you do run and you get a little bit out of control, what tends to happen is your camera tends to have some bit of shake or bit of movement that you don't really want. So by adding another gimbal, whatever odd movement your plate experiences, this gimbal is going to try and counteract it. And I think that's kind of why the footage comes out so nice. This is never going to fix any form of up-down motion while you're running. You know, there is no fourth axis. However, you still don't see much of that, fortunately. And I think that just comes from long term of gimbal use. What I have done when I ran was I did lock both gimbals, in other words, the same direction, so that from running there was no left and right movement, so the gimbals are just facing in the same direction. But if you've ever used a gimbal, that mode doesn't really help you for any smooth footage, it just kind of helps you with the direction, which I didn't want to change at this point. So any form of straight shot you would have locked it anyway, but I have just locked both gimbals, just so you know. Well, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this little crazy FeiyuTech setup. Yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please smash the thumbs up button and drop me a comment below. Let me know what you thought, if you've ever had this weird idea of slamming together two gimbals. And yeah, I don't think anyone's ever gonna make a dual gimbal, but what the heck. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Catch you on the next one.